offense 125 of
125 RP Act. Yes, Tejesh.
Please,
All these matters we have stayed. Yes. One HCGP. ಎರಡು ಅವರೇ
Swami. Private complaint ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Private complaint filed.
Private complaint. 125 private complaint.
125 private complaint filed. The
Yes, so
magistrate is
emergent notice to the respondent. List the matter on 31st. List the matter on 24th October.
interim
There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings where the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
Five.
For petitions. Really offense 505 153
Who are you?
504 143.
Shivakumar, I am the complainant.
ನೀವೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I did not receive a notice.
Why did you come then?
Police asked me to be present.
Oh, yes, all right. Yes, sir.
It's a very important case. For
Oh,
the-
everything is, no, you can't speak unless you have permission or an advocate.
Very sorry.
Yes. Yes, sir. ಏನು offense ಏನು?
So my offense is 505 153 504
ಏನ್
143
ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ?
298. Swami
499 ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 499 ಇಲ್ಲ. Page number 22 my lord. Complaint. Para number 2 my lord. During this rally, Andolana Swamiji had leading the crowd in the chanting particularly offensive slogans such as
This cannot. In your case itself, I have written that you can't go personal like this.
no my lord, this is under
No, no,
section
no.
153A my lord. That's why
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
there is no mention
And
of
what is this?
any community or
Oh,
any
no,
other religion or
let him-
any community.
One, you can't go personal, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು.
per the
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು
judgment passed
ಅಂತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
by ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ as per the judgment passed by this honorable court
One,
Raja Singh Thakur versus State of Karnataka.
one ಅದು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? ವೈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ? Make him a party. Without making the complainant party, how have you maintained this petition? This is for quashing.
Question.
Then complainant party ಇಲ್ದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
I will make amendment.
Immediately ಮಾಡಿ. Learned counsel with the petitioner is directed to implead the complainant as a party respondent to these proceedings. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent, emergent notice to the second respondent, complainant returnable by the 24th.
Allowed
List
interim.
on 24th.
Interim order.
No, next.
For six.
For petitioners, 171E, my lord, non-cognizable offense. And also, my lord, the
No permission taken?
permitted only signature has been done, my lord. Last, my lord, that page 93.
ಕುಡಿಯೋದು. Permitted ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ permit.
ತೇಜೇಶ್. ಕೊಡಿ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Can you take that? Same. Yes. Heard senior counsel. Next. Great.
Seven.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7 to 7.5.
Requires certain consideration, my lord. It may be taken up.
Requires consideration.
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, we have not
SLP
challenged.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, SLP is with respect of some other, that is not relating to
Some
the
other-
schedule offense. There are two FIRs, my lord. One is PCR. With respect of that particular PCR, there was a compromise, and that has reached to the Supreme Court. And there is one particular order which this honorable court has passed the order. There is one more FIR. That particular FIR is the basis for registration of
Is that
ECIR.
FIR?
My lord, in respect of that FIR, my lord, B report was filed
Yes, ma'am.
and subsequently the learned trial court accepted the B report, my lord.
Closed.
Closed.
And that is the reason why I want to make my submission.
the
How it,
ನಿಮ್ದು?
no. None. It requires consideration, my lord, more particularly with reference to paragraph.
ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಏನು?
My lord, there are certain facts, my lord, which has emerged during the course of investigation, and I want to explain those facts in the light of the law laid down by the Supreme Court in Vijay Madan Lal Chaudhary. I am ready to argue, my lord. I will take.
Para 467 clause 5 Vijay Madan Lal Chaudhary says 3 circumstances.
Yes.
B report is not a circumstance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes,
But B report also has ended in closure. How will you survive?
yes, my lord. This is a special case, my lord, where,
Special case?
yes, my lord,
What special?
where the ED has exercised its jurisdiction under section 66 and
On an
section-
information given by
Yes,
them.
my lord. Yes, my lord. In such circumstances, what would happen to the civil action has been answered in
Ah.
para 457, 458, 461, then para 467, Roman uh, 18, subpara A, my lord. I want to refer these paragraphs.
But,
And there is, I will also refer to the Madras High Court judgment, my lord, recent judgment with respect of,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
yes, my lord. Yes,
Umbilical cord.
Yes.
Yes.
And I may be permitted to place those judgment in this case to and
But
address that.
stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲಿ.
Stay is there.
Heard the learned senior counsel V. Sheshachala appearing for the petitioner and the counsel Madhukar Deshpande representing the respondent. The issue in the list is whether the proceedings instituted by the Enforcement Directorate can be sustained, notwithstanding the fact that the predicate offense has ended in favor of the petitioners. One predicate offense one predicate offense which was registered pursuant to a reference made by the learned magistrate under 156(3) is quashed by this court in terms of its order dated 6th October 2023.
That is not the predicate offense, my lord.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ,
Yes.
ಅದು so and so. The learned counsel for the respondent would submit that that is not the predicate offense which has been quashed. The learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande would further submit that the predicate offense in the case at hand is the one that was registered in which the police after investigation filed a B report. The B report is accepted and closed. Notwithstanding the closure, the learned counsel would submit that the proceedings independently instituted by the Enforcement Directorate invoking section 66 of the Act would not tumble down just because the B report has ended in its closure, just because the B report is accepted and the case is closed. Objections, if any, by the next date.
Objections are filed, my lord.
Filed,
Please
huh?
complete.
Learned, time is granted to the learned counsel to go through the papers and make his submissions. List on 24th.
I have given the Madras High Court judgment to the.
Umbilical cord ಗೊತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. Yes. List on 24th.
Sure.
Eight,
The effect of your petition. 171 F and 171 H, my lord.
Hmm. Yes. 171 H.
Yes, of the prosecution.
ಏನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Recovery is from, my lords, properties belonging to the company. The name, my lords, which the petitioner shares. There is no recovery from the hands of the person of the petitioner at all.
ತೇಜಸ್
Please, my lord.
ಅವ್ರು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Please, yes.
Nothing. Where's the judgment 171 H?
But I have not.
I have rendered a few, sir.
Please, please.
ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ by the end of the
I shall
day.
place it.
Disposed, yes.
Complete.
Lords 171 E, but this is by the court, Bidar court, they have taken cognizance. No
Hmm.
jurisdiction for the court.
Jurisdiction.
MP MLA court.
Oh, ಆ ground ಮೇಲೆ.
Page 50.
Magistrate has taken cognizance. huh?
Please, page 53, magistrate at Bidar has taken cognizance.
You are a,
Former MLA.
ಅದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Prabling Navatgi appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner calls in question the order of taking of cognizance by the learned magistrate. So and so, ಯಾವ court ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so and so. The petitioner is a former member of the Legislative Assembly. And in terms of law, the cognizance or the matter had to be placed before the special court, which is only one in the state. Therefore, the act of taking of cognizance by the learned magistrate is an act without jurisdiction. On this solitary ground, further proceedings before the learned magistrate shall remain stayed. We'll have to send it to the special court ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next time we do it.
Initially, permission is also by the same court, lords. Therefore.
Everything will have to be
proceedings will
read.
have to be-
Yes. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. Flying squad. Yes, learned counsel Sharad Dodwad accepts notice for the second respondent. List on 24th. Yes,
ten,
It's under 125 of RP Act. Initially for 153A and 126,
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
kindly see page number. Page number 13.
One HCGP two emergent notice. The allegation against the petitioner is making certain statements which has become an offence under section 153A of the IPC.
And 126 initially.
And 126 of the Representation of Peoples Act. A perusal at the complaint would not indicate the ingredients of the offence that is required for an offence to become punishable under section 153A of the Act in the permitting further proceedings where the petitioner in the teeth of the aforesaid facts would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Javed Hajam versus so and so 2024 4 SSC page 456. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay. So on. Yes, next. Next Adena,
Same.
same order. List on 24th.
Yes, this connected with 2 matters. my lord.
Yeah.
Last week. interim order
24th
was-
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Aye.
Yes.
orders 12,
Office objections.
Plus, I appear for the petition in this case, please. my lord.
Lord, I shall comply, do the needful within a week, my lord.
Learned counsel for the respondent submits that a week's time, learned counsel, second respondent seeks a week's time to comply with the office objections, query the statement of objections, compliance by the next date, 24th in the 24th, list on 24th, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing, heard senior counsel and Madhya. Next.
I'm appearing for petitioner, my lordship. Non-cognizable offense, my lordship, 430.
Non-cognizable, ಬಂದಿರೋದು non-compliance of office objections. Comply ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
Same.
List the matter on 24th. In the event office objections would not be complied by then, interim order subsisting would stand automatically vacated. Next.
14,
The case has been registered under the RP Act after a lapse of 2.5 years. 23 and 126, your lordship may kindly see page number 12.
ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಾರಿಂದ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Page number 12, my lord. The PSA.
Non-compliance office objections, sir.
For 2 days.
2 days ಬೇಕಾ? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Council seeks 2 days time to comply with the office objections. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list in the event office objections are complied with. Next.
Petitioner, your lordship.
Office objections.
A week's time, your lordship.
3 weeks time.
1 week time.
Same order, 1 week time. 24th fresh matters in the events and complied. Next.
An application seeking
Respondent in
bail.
this
my
matter,
lords.
May-
Bail.
Howd. My lords, in fact, this matter had gone before the coordinate bench.
Ah,
Then it was pointed out,
Ah.
A2, he was a former MLC. And therefore it had to come. I'm appearing for A1, my lords. Now A2 has been granted bail.
A1 ಯಾರು?
My lords, A1 was an erstwhile managing director
Ah,
of this Devraj Res truck terminal.
hmm,
Now the informant is a present MD, my lords.
hmm,
Now, under the information given, the offences which are registered are sections 120B conspiracy, my lords, 409, 420, 465, 471, and 468, my lords.
hmm.
Petitioner, he is arrested on 27/5/2024, my lords. So he's now been in custody for about 120 days.
Hmm.
In the meanwhile, my lords, the main bulk of this allegation was against the chairman who was accused number 2.
He is granted bail.
He's granted bail. Now, accused number 2 initially, my lord, sought for an anticipatory bail. My lords, we have produced a memo along with documents dated 3/8/2024. If my lords would kindly,
Who is the people representative here?
my lords, MLC A2.
Yes,
He was an, yes, my lords.
A2.
A2,
may I intervene, my lord, for a moment. Then,
Wait.
Before he completes, my
Wait.
lord, Allah, arguments, I mean, I turn up my apologies, my lord. In fact, can this matter be taken up tomorrow, my lord? In fact, I was allergy.
Allergy?
This, drowsiness or ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ and I was not able to
You are allergic
get
to
through.
the case and
Not case, my lord. In fact, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು I was not able to separate all the, there is got some more files. Tomorrow, if it is taken up, my lord,
Matter of
I
allergy.
tender my apologies.
You have taken antihistamine, na?
Tanzania something. They have,
In citizen.
something sits in the Tanzania or something, my lord. It's-
Tanzania.
So I'm not able to
Tanzania
spell out the
citizen,
drug.
yes. Hmm.
So I was not able to overcome
Antihistamine
the.
makes someone drowsy, yes.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
please.
Tomorrow,
Alek,
please.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ
No, 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 ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಗೊಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Please, I'm sorry about it.
Tomorrow.
Please.
Please.
Please tomorrow. ಇವ್ರು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. This court on 38/20/24 had passed the following order. Even today, there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner, nor the office objections are complied. Dismissed for non-prosecution. Next.
18.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent, interim order, if any, shall continue to the next date of hearing. Jai Prakash, office objection.
For the
Latest order sheet.
Ashtena.
Please.
Office objection.
I'm appearing for the respondent in this case, my lords. My camera will be turned on.
Yaru?
I'm appearing for respondent in this case, my lords. I'm appearing through VC.
Not VC, you're appearing from your car.
Please, my lords, I'm just
Ah.
on my way to the Supreme Court, my lords.
On the
my
way to
air-
Supreme Court by
No,
car.
on my way to the airport, airport, my lords.
Airport. Yes.
Apologies, my lords.
Hmm.
Please, my lords, the petitioner herein has indulged in mudslinging by using the post office kind of this thing. I was a former
This is-
MP from a rival party, my lords.
This was
It's very much covered by my lordship's judgment.
Hmm.
It is not similar
Very
to
much-
the Sunil Kumar judgment passed by. It is
But-
not similar to Sunil Kumar's judgment, my lord, but.
No, there straight allegations of
allegations. Here,
Even
what-
here,
being
there
part
are
of a
straight.
gang was there.
Here was a
I
question.
will hear it.
It was only a question which was posed, my lord, because pass was given by
Please,
him,
my lords.
by the complainant.
Please, my
Where the
lords, that is
canisters were,
not
blown
all.
out in
That
the
is not
Lok Sabha.
all. That is not all.
They were called as
He has
anti.
the petitioner has indulged in mudsling. The petitioner
What
has
do you
indulged in
call a-
mudslinging.
What is the defamatory statement here?
See, basically, he has used all the expressions such as
Deshdrohi and
Deshdrohi.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
I have
Only
mentioned that in my
statement, my lord.
PCR. I have
Employed the
also
term ದೇಶ as a hint. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Deshdrohi, but also the audio transcript
not
which says that
direct, my lord.
Muttala, Baitevlu, all these kinds. I mean, I don't want to spell it out.
They
All the
were called,
obnoxious,
my lord.
all the
They were
obnoxious
called as
things in front of,
Deshdrohis.
in the presence of the honorable.
question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Please, my lords, that is not all. He has used Deshdrohi,
That
and
is
I
all
also
what is
produced
seen
the
in the
audio
complaint.
transcript. Audio transcript. You taking all that comprehensive evaluation, the magistrate had taken cognizance of the case, my lords, and I'm relying upon my lordship's judgment passed in this Vinay Kumar versus Pramod Mutalik's case.
Sorry, produce it. Yes.
It's already my colleague will produce it, my lords.
Totally, madam. If objections are ready,
Objections are already been filed, my lords.
already filed.
It's already filed.
We'll hear it on 24th.
Please, my lords.
Posted on 8th of October, I'm told, so. that is only-
ಏನು court ಅಲ್ಲ?
How?
I will hear it on 24th. List the matter on 24th.
Very well.
Grateful, my lords.
Let the concerned court defer its proceedings till then. List on 24th in the fresh matters list. The concerned court shall defer its proceedings till 24th of October.
Obliged.
Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
Yes, sir.
20, my lord.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent, interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes, my lord.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Same
Same, my
order.
Obliged.
By senior counsel is there for that? ಅದಕ್ಕ?
28/21. Interim order was.
ಅಲ್ಲ, should I show?
No,
Yes,
wait,
yes.
not legal.
Huh? Hello. 2 weeks' time is going to comply with the office objections. In the event office objections stand complied, list the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. ಇದೇನು
Filing my objections.
There was the last complaint.
ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
Three complaints were there. No?
ಹಾ.
One was 66E, of course, I was not, three women had complained. Two of them lordships have
Oh,
heard.
this is 376.
The same. Here also maid servant after.
Different arguments are there?
No, not same. I have made a list of dates.
Objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ sir?
ಈಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
5 years after the alleged incident.
Same.
Same.
Facts are a bit different. Kindly permit
I'll hear you.
Permit me to address.
Yes, sir. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, just. Two things I just wanted to.
And charge sheet is also filed in this case.
ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್.
Charge sheet is filed.
In the
ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ file on 66E.
ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ just now
All right.
charge sheet.
Yes, sir. You may submit because it is, ಇದು ಬೇಲಾ?
Bail.
438.
Anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory bail. All right.
4,000.
Yes, sir.
Only one feature in this I have to just, with all responsibility, I have to say this, not a little bit slightly difficult. After the alleged incident, she says prior to lockdown, she says she continues to stay there. That incident was repeated twice. These are unusual.
That is why 376(2)(n).
That's all unusual. It looks, that's all I will leave it at that. But
But
there is
all the other submissions are same.
same, 5 years, everything, made servant.
ಎಲ್ಲ 5 years.
Yes,
Same complainant?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರು.
Some different complaint.
She says she met the original complainant, the person, first matter I argued. And she, when this matter when video started circulating, then her husband asked her why. Then she says, no, I thought it is fit enough now. And earlier my daughters were not grown up. Now my daughters are grown up and married. Therefore, I have taken the courage. Several matters, not subject matter of trial, according to me. There are contentious issues, including FSL
Of
report.
course, for caution and ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
No, no, I'm only bringing to lordships now.
Yes, sir.
Babe, I request the court to kindly permit me to show the nature and gravity of the offense that has been alleged against the petition.
Page, sir.
Page 18. Starts at page 19. It's a very disturbing this thing. I'll be grateful if the court can go through it.
Yes, I'll go through it. Paragraphs ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾನು
19, 20,
2021 lockdown ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
21. And more importantly, she has fully explained the delay. Kindly come to page 21. Before that, why did she not complain immediately after the first incident? Page 19 may kindly be perused. Bottom of that paragraph. ಬಲವಂತ ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಡ.
ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಶಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಪೇಜ್ 20 ಅಲ್ಲ?
19ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ
ನೀನು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆದರಿಸಿ. 20ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೇ, ವೈ ಡಿಲೇ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. 20ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಕೈಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ನಡೆದಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So she has said why she did not immediately complain. But after this incident, one more incident happened in the next paragraph, she has said, and same day she left the house. Now kindly come to page 21. Bottom of that paragraph again. ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನೇನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಂದು ನನಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆಪ್ತ ಸಮಾಲೋಚಕರು ಕೂಡ ಹೆದರಬೇಡಿ, ನಡೆದ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಎಂದು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಡ ಮತ್ತು ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸೋಣಿಸೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಿರಿಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆಯಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗಳ ಜೀವನದ ಮೇಲೆ ತೊಂದರೆಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೀಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಳಿಯಂದಿರು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಂತಿರುವುದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
She was also a maid.
She was a domestic servant working in the house, in the estate,
The estate, huh?
in the estate. And she was taken to Bangalore. Again, the same thing happened in Bangalore house also. Now with the.
Yes, yes.
That's why N is invoked. It was a
That's what.
serial. This.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 376(2)(n repeated rape.
Kindly recollect the facts. I will not repeat it. Now,
But then this is too gory. What is narrated?
if there is something which can fit into a nymphomaniac's description, it outsmarts that also. It outsmarts that. Sir, the more aggravating factor is the lady was not only under her control and his control, and he was dominating. She was double the age of the perpetrator, petitioner, if not more. And such a lady, she held his feet. I don't want to.
Yes.
Then
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ?
charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್?
ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹಾ.
I would also request the court to kindly recollect. It is this lady who was abducted. Once just before election, then immediately after election. Kindly come to page 27. Page 27 of the petition.
Yes, that's the order.
Yeah, the order portion, but I'll straight away take the court to page 95.
95.
Now, this is a suit filed by him, OS 3394 of 2023.
Asking restraint.
Yes, this was filed 1 year before the complaint was lodged.
Why
On
was it filed
1/6.
1 year before the complaint?
He knew everything. He had recorded everything. He knew everything that is being circulated. So 1/6/2023, he files a suit, gets an injunction, and silences the media houses against publishing the material that he had recorded in his phone. And more importantly, after securing the interim order, I request the court to kindly note this. No criminal case has been filed. The stand here also, the photographs are morphed, the videograph is morphed, the victims are shown this thing. So, if that is so, there should have been a criminal case saying that this has been morphed, this results in such and such an offense. No such criminal case was filed. Then victim is not a party to this suit. And more importantly,
Victim is not a party.
not a party. And no criminal case is filed against the victim, even at that point of time. So that is how he has secured an interim order, ex parte interim order, and
Which interim order?
there in the suit,
Suit.
in the suit. Now, the very important factor is, I've given the list of authorities. Kindly permit me to refresh just two of them.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕೇಸುಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. In the first case, that is Prashant Kumar Sarkar versus Ashish Chatterjee and others. Can you come to para 9, where page 4.
Yes, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅವತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು.
Yes.
Sir, all the 8 factors
Yes.
are answered positive. He is a flight risk because he had gone away, escaping the process of law.
34 days he was out.
Yeah, he was out of country. And then severity of the nature and gravity of the accusation. It is so serious and it is a heinous crime. Danger of the accused, severity of the punishment in the event of conviction. That is also there, positive. Danger of the accused absconding or fleeing is also answered affirmatively. Character, behavior, means, position, standing of the accused, all of them are to be taken into consideration. The most powerful community family in the district, and politically powerful, financially also very rich, and they have been employing it in a big way in silencing the victims. 6th one, likelihood of the offense being repeated. This is 376N. It is a continuing cause of action for denying bail.
Yes.
Reasonable apprehension of the witnesses being
Yes.
influenced.
According to you, all the 8 are present.
All the 8, sir, they had already abducted the victim. What more is necessary to say that such a man is not entitled to? Then I thought I should show some of the weighty observations of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Jugendra Singh, which I have produced at page 10, page 8. Sorry, it starts at 6, page 6. Now kindly come to paragraph. Is the paragraph?
49.
Yes.
Rape or an attempt of rape.
Yes. Rape or an attempt to rape is a crime not against an individual, but a crime which destroys the basic equilibrium of the social atmosphere. The consequential death is more horrendous. It is to be kept in mind that an offense against the body of a woman lowers her dignity, mars her reputation. It is said, one's physical frame is his or her temple. No one has any right of encroachment. An attempt for the momentary pleasure of the accused has caused the death of that was a child rape, and had a devastating effect on her family, and in the ultimate event on the collective at large. When a family suffers in such manner, the society as a whole is compelled to suffer, as it creates an incurable dent in the fabric of the social mill. In the next judgment, sir, page 3, that is at page 21, Shyam Narayan versus State, the opening paragraph itself.
Wanton lust, I've seen.
Yes.
this. Deepak Mishra.
And
Depravity of senses.
last
yes.
time I did not point out these paragraphs. I
No,
request
this,
the court.
this I have seen.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ. Para 1 ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ. But subsequent paragraphs I forgot to show. Kindly come to para 19. Kindly permit me to read
Yes, sir.
para 19. The aforesaid authorities deal with sentencing in general. As seen, various concepts, namely gravity of the offense, manner of its execution, impact on the society, repercussions on the victim, and proportionality of punishment have been emphasized upon. In the case on hand, we are concerned with the justification of the life imprisonment in a case of rape committed on a 8-year-old girl. Next sentence is important, sir.
Yes.
The victim was both physically and psychologically vulnerable, as in the case of the present victim, both physically and cerebrally. Then at para 22 refers to State of Punjab versus Gurmeet Singh. At Placitum C, kindly mark these words. The learned judge has proceeded further to state that it is an irony that while we are celebrating women's rights in all spheres, we show little or no concern for her honor. It is sad reflection of the attitude of indifference of the society towards violation of human dignity of the victims of sex crimes. Then that this thing is quoted. Para 23, Krishnappa's case from Karnataka, I quote,
Yes.
courts must hear the loud cry for justice by the society in cases of heinous crime, of rape on innocent, helpless girls of tender years, and respond by imposition of proper sentence. Public abhorrence of the crime needs reflection through imposition of appropriate sentence by the court. And last but not the least is para 25, which speaks of brutality, which is writ large in this case. Keeping in view aforesaid enunciation of law, obtaining factual matrix, the brutality reflected in the commission of crime, the response expected from courts by the society, and the rampant uninhibited exposure of bestial nature of pervert minds, we are required to address whether the rigorous punishment, etc., etc. That is. Then last, para 27, respect for reputation of women in the society shows the basic civility of a civilized society. No member of society can afford to conceive the idea that he can create a hollow in the honor of a woman. Such thinking is not only lamentable, but also deplorable. It would not be an exaggeration to say that the thought of sullying the physical frame of a woman is the demolition of the accepted civilized norm, that is, physical morality. In such a sphere, impetuosity has no room.
Those are
The
appeals against conviction.
Allah, even for
Observation.
granting bail also.
In fact, Bhagwan, Bhagwan Singh.
Yes, Bhagwan
Bhagwan Singh is the one that is to be looked into.
Please, please.
If you see para 18, 24 and 25.
25,
Bhagwan
next.
Singh.
Page 40.
18, of course, that is there.
Page
but,
40.
Yes.
That also I placed.
Idu adrallu rely adri.
Ah.
24 and 25.
Yes, 24 and 25. Then Pool Singh's case also I placed.
Pol Singh also, yes.
Page 51. So these were pointed out.
Delay would not completely take
Not
away.
at all, not at all. And more importantly, the sole testimony of this victim is sufficient to convict a person who accused of it. In this case, there are two more factors which need to be impressed. One is, just before the election, on 23/4/2024, a crime was registered in crime number 33 of 2024 under section 67A of the Information Technology Act. There also, because my face is shown, according to
Your
him.
face is shown?
Yes, I'll give those details as well. My face is shown and no steps are taken against me. If it is marked, I should have been the instrumental factor to bring about marking of this thing. No such complaint, no such criminal case has been presented. So it is in these circumstances, I request the court to kindly permit me to show from the charge sheet. Yeah.
This is crime number 2 of 24.
Yes, 20 of. Now kindly come to.
We
Volume
don't have-
1.
I must bring to Lordship's notice. But I have no objection for the prosecution placing reliance upon the contents of the
What of-
charges. But we don't have the benefit of the copy of the charge.
It's all
I must bring to Lordship's notice, but that would cause some prejudice to us. But because, no, if not, we would, in the other, for the
Page
other matter, we had the.
I have
copy of
given the
charge-
synopsis of the charge sheet, page 111.
If they are to provide a copy of that, whatever
Sorry,
they are
sorry,
relying
see,
upon.
Not
but
entitled, not entitled.
it's all
Under
right.
the, I have seen the provision.
Whether I rely on this or not, we will pass an order. Yes.
No, only there is a
will
very
look into
strong corroborating factor,
No, this
which
will-
I should bring.
That's
it
a matter of trial.
Allala,
We are on anticipatory.
Not
bail.
sir, in the other
Anticipated
matter,
bail
when
book
charge
ಕೂಡ
sheet
ಒಂದು
was filed.
How strong
I was
the
a-
case is ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Kindly permit me to show one fact.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸಾಕು.
I'll complaint ಸಾಕು. ತಾವು permission ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, kindly come to volume 4. I will not read it. I'll just show it to the court. This is the detailed FSL report that has been received.
Page,
Page 1613. Starts at page volume 4,
1613,
volume 4,
volume 4.
1613.
The last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್.
ಆ ಕೇಸಿಗೆ. FSL
ಇದೊಂಥರ ಆಕ್ಷನ್
replay. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು
But worse than that, in this case, for the first time, he has been caught on the video. He was not so well guarded as he was in the other cases.
no this
So his voice is recorded.
that is what I asked on the last occasion.
Yes.
Voice is recorded.
Voice is
No,
recorded.
last, no, voice, they said it's mismatched. Not, I do not know about this at
No,
all. This is a different
the
case.
facial features of so and so present in the video are similar to respect of facial features
Then ನಮಗೆ
so and so. And voice is
this is a different case, that's what I say.
charge sheet same alva?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ,
Oh,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಇದು ಹೊಸ case.
Separate case,
ಅದು-
you don't have the benefit of what.
Sir, kindly come to 1617.
1617.
17. Same FSL report.
Voice feature extraction ಅದ?
Extracts. Kindly go through the cry of the lady. Then page 1618. Based on the frame analysis, the video files mentioned above from 1 to 3 are found to be continuous, not edited or morphed. So they are found to be genuine.
161?
1618,
Ah,
after the tabular statement,
ah,
based on frame analysis.
are found continuous, not
Yes.
edited
Kind-
or morphed.
Yeah, kindly go through that short paragraph, the whole of it,
Yes.
that they are shown to be genuine, they are shown to be not edited, they are shown to be not morphed. Then the identity of the victim, after the next tabular statement, the facial features of the female individual present in above mentioned video file are similar with respect to facial features of the female individual present in alleged video files of Samsung mobile phone marked D1A. The system generated facial feature comparison reports are enclosed. That is again this thing. Now kindly come to 1619, para 7. Para 7 is important,
Yes.
where the speech of the accused is fully recorded and is found to be similar with the voice samples taken. The comparison of the respective voices of auditor, etc., of the male speaker accused, Sri so and so, recorded in alleged video, etc., present in Samsung mobile, and the sample speeches found recorded in the audio files of ScanDisk, micro SD are similar. Next, again, the cry of the lady, that there is a transcript.
Yes, yes.
Para 10 again, para 11 again. So after this, the FSL refers to the text of the video. Kindly come to page 1623. Sir, ಅದು ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
1623.
Oh, this, yes, yes.
ಹಾ,
No, no, please don't read.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ because the defense taken in the court below it was a consensual act. That was the defense. Now her protest, her rejection, her shout, her cry, her agony, everything is recorded on video. (307) page, volume 1. The entire transcript of all the details, how he forced the victim to subjugation are brought up. That is 309.
307.
Where?
307 also
Question,
is, I submit.
heard reserved.
Before I close, I should narrate. It has nothing to do with this
No, no.
case, my learned friend.
No, that's.
Allah,
Arguing cases.
not with this case.
No, one clarification. Why did you institute a suit seeking restraint in
Reason, my lords,
2023?
the reason was certain videos were being circulated.
What videos?
Not saying that there was an sexual act in which the petitioner was involved, but of course my names were not there. But kindly see para 3 of that watermelon by this Karthik, this driver, page 89. Page 89, paragraph 3.
So videos were circulated.
Photographs, and
Page?
page 89, paragraph 3.
Yes. Defendant 88, that
They
is
sent a fake and
Karthik.
mock photograph to plaintiff through WhatsApp from mobile number so and so to WhatsApp photos of some unidentified.
marked photograph of plaintiff.
Yes, sir.
With some random women.
Yes.
So videos were there.
The defendant number 88 threatened the
Yes,
plaintiff
for
with creating
their
more photograph.
Incident is not denied or disputed anywhere.
Lots, I
No,
must.
it's all right. I wanted clarification.
Please.
Why did you on yourself 1 year before all
No,
this
that is
happened?
because the photograph, this person, my lord, defendant number 88 had sent the photograph. And he, my lord, says that I took the phone from the petitioner and got this. Finally, my lords, when the phones are seized, petitioner's phone is not seized. The phone from which he says these photographs or videos were taken are not available. It is his phone, which ultimately is seized, the driver's.
Karthik's
Defendant number 88's phone.
But even then, why you had to go on
This is
yourself
because
and-
these photographs or this one is not traced back to the phone of the petitioner. I instituted the suit because my lord, he called me up. He sent photographs of mine. But ultimately, my lord, in the FSL report, which I pointed out last time, the face of the petitioner is not seen at all.
There's a voice match.
Now that is what I don't have the benefit of that.
This
Anyway,
voice-
it's all right. I will, but these are all matters, my lords, which we can contest. We are unable
No,
to contest at
contest,
this
yes.
stage.
It's a matter of trial, no doubt
No,
about it.
therefore,
but,
of course, statement made in the complaint, there are several circumstances which could show. No, there are several circumstances which, my lord, I may point out, but I did not want to, my lord, go because at this stage it is my say as against theirs, which, my lords, has to be dealt with very delicately. But I will only put it across in this manner. Because the reason is not this. 21 prior to lockdown, she says this happened. She says I continued to stay there. Once, twice, or thrice. These are depicted.
Did she have any choice?
These are the questions. These are the questions, lords, as to whether. Therefore, lord, I was very responsible when I made that submission before your lordships. I do not want to travel beyond anything else to say as to whether 376 occurred or not. But merely, lord, making those statements in the complaint at that stage, but should not, lords, be taken that a case of 376 is made out of that. And reading out the contents of the charge sheet, actually, we don't have the benefit at all of that. Relying upon that would cause serious prejudice. No, I'm cause some serious prejudice to us. That is what I want to bring to lordship's notice. Of course, these are all matters, lord, which requires to be.
Trial, yes.
No, I am only bringing to lordship.
So there are 3 anticipatory bail petitions.
So
now.
there is a
Three anticipated.
One is
One
two
439.
one is regular bail,
Is 439.
in which that is 376.
correct.
One anticipatory bail 66C,
Correct.
that is
In-
with others for
Yeah,
circulating.
there are others. Sir.
Then another anticipatory bail is 354A.
Jilla Panchayat former member.
354A. The fourth one, this
This-
is this anticipatory bail.
Correct. These are all.
All right.
The experience I wanted to narrate is not of.
And Lord, I just wanted
of my
to,
own-
before learned senior
Allah, my
counsel,
own-
no, not nothing else.
Not
judgment-
related to this case.
Allala sir,
ತಾವು
ಬೇರೆ
ಕೇಳ್-
ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಾವು
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. I mean,
One the submission I wanted to
ಏನು
make,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
not on this.
Justice Govind Bhatt was the Chief Justice here. There was one quota officer by name Bhimrao. Justice Govind Bhatt never handled any criminal matters. It was only writ appeals or CRPs he used to handle. Then soon after he retired, Justice Honnaya and Nesargi, they shifted to Kotal 1. So Bhimrao became their court officer as well. But Honnaya would not change the roster. He would continue with his criminal appeals. And the criminal appeals were being heard in Portal 1. After 2 days, Bhimrao was the court officer at that point of time in Portal 1. He went and prostrated before Justice Honnaya, said, Swami, ನಾನು ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಚೈನು ಚೂರಿನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. That is my fate today. I have been requesting the government.
You have been arguing for the last 16 weeks, I'm hearing only this.
I've been telling the government, please change this thing. It is become impossible for me to go through this agony.
Because you are not in this
Not regularly handling.
regularly ಇದು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ it's very difficult.
So, ಈ ಭೀಮ್ರಾವ್ ಕತೆ ನಂದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. That is what I wanted.
No, I only wanted, on merits mode, I wanted to say one more
Yes,
thing.
sir.
The judgment which the learned senior counsel has relied upon, but of course, all those judgments speak of crime against women, etc. There cannot be any dispute at all. But fact situation, it depends. But in every case, some cases, POCSO was invoked, and I just post-convict,
I know.
post-convict, no, I'm just bringing to
The
lordship's
other
knowledge.
case of Bhagwan
Yes.
Singh was Pokso. correct?
Therefore, Murad, factually, Murad, several, it is
Finance?
only on factual aspects, Murad, their lordships have held that sometimes. There are, of course, some judgments which say that delay, particularly in 376 matters, cause serious,
Last time ಹೇಳಿದಿರ.
I will leave it at that. So any conditions lordships are imposed, but they will comply. Sorry. Mobile forensic,
Objection
but I'm also
statement. Court
told,
of, court of
I'm also told,
statement.
the FSL report, whatever they were able to gather, though we don't have the, does not relate back to the mobile phone of the petitioner.
So not mobile phone of the petitioner. Samsung ಯಾರ್ದು?
I'm told that there is a separate chapter dedicated to mobile forensic report.
We'll see. If necessary,
Yes.
if need arises, we'll go into.
Yes.
Heard, sounds reserved.
Yes, sir.
We'll pronounce all together, all
Please.
the four.
Oblige.
Lordships may consider it separately. Those three are separate.
No, not tagging them.
Yes.
I'll pronounce
Yes, no,
together,
I
but
just-
considering it independently.
Please.
Each case.
Because in other case, one is
Facts are different.
354A and one is 66C.
Please.
Those are also for anticipatory bail.
Please.
Two are of 376.
Yes.
Three
ಮೂರಾ?
376.
ಮೂರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಇವತ್ತಿದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೆರಡು ಇದೊಂದು. Yes. All right, ಇದು.
Plus for the petition in this case, please.
With your lordships kindly,
Plus the,
in the connected bail matters, my lords.
Connected bail matter.
Yes, my lords. The bail matters are
plus
also
two
connected.
bail matters are there, please, not where and.
I appear for the complaint. I have made an application for assist to prosecution. That may,
Again,
I have no objection, let him come on record.
438 ಎರಡು.
438.
This-
ಎರಡು 438 ಇದೆ.
ಎರಡು
ಒಂದು
438.
ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
One quashing.
ಏನಿದೆ?
First one is quashing, please, complaint against the petitioner is the offense under section 420, please, The allegation against the complaint, against the accused is, please, to the effect that he being the president of HKE society has not dispersed the stipend to the MBBS and the postgraduate students. Plus, after a duration of about,
You're out on bail now?
I am out on bail, please.
That is challenged. No, what is anticipatory bail then?
Anticipatory bail is, malas interim anticipatory bail is granted by
You're
this.
granted
honorable-
interim bail, is it?
Interim bail is granted.
Where is the order granting bail? And not to arrest and ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
Interim bail ತಾವೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದೆ.
order dated 12/9/2024.
ನಂದೇ order.
Lords, may I request this matter may kindly be taken up some other day.
Oh, this three people were beyond 60, 70 years sada ಇದೆ.
Yes, it's the same case.
Yes, sir.
It may kindly be taken up tomorrow, my lords. I have made an
Tomorrow
application.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You file your objections.
Please.
We'll take it on 24th.
Please.
Yes.
Let him also take notice in the first matter, please.
That I will do.
For clashing.
Yes. Abhishek.
Shiv Prasad.
Learned Counsel Shiva Prasad Shantan Gowda accepts notice for the respondent, second respondent,
Please.
second respondent in all these matters. Registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the
First
second.
matter. Only in the first matter. They have not made me a party in the bail petitions.
Bail petitions, they have not made him a party.
Ah,
He is coming on record to assist the
Well,
prosecution.
all
I
right.
had
To
made
assist
similar
the
application before
prosecution.
the
In the
session
first
court.
482 ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ. List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. Interim order, if any, subsisting in any of these cases shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please.
ಇದು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Petitioner. The charge against the petitioner is under section 143 of Indian Penal Code and 143.
143.
143. As against accused number 1, the Supreme Court has stayed this matter and other petitioners have also been stayed. Before this court in criminal petition.
Yes. 1 HCGP. 2 emergent notice. There shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
The matter may be connected with the criminal petition number
Tag this petition along with
8491 of 2024.
8491 of so and so. ಇದು ಈ file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಿ madam. ಈ file. Next.
Offences under the MMDR Act, ground of limitation, investigation by the SIT Lokayukta, connected
ಕೊಡಿ.
petition.
ನಾನು stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yes,
I've reserved a few, right?
yes, today they are for dictation. Sorry, my lord,
Getting
I have scribbled more than necessary.
Same order. Tag this petition along with so and so. Same order.
Can I pass over a better copy?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೀವು? Yes. Sorry.
Next matter also, my lord.
Same.
This is under the IPC. There the duration is different. Mechanically, they arrange the managing director as the accused. The previous matter, my lord, item 26 is under MMDR Act. Duration is 2006 to 2010.
But no, we'll decide about
Yes.
that. What is this? Same, huh?
Same charge sheet for offences under IPC. Now, because of the bar, my lord, under the MMDR Act, they filed charge sheet
Will
and there also
here
MMDR.
all together.
Yes.
BS Prasad take notice ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ same order ಮಾಡಿ. Next.
Grateful.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel and Murthy ನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ.
My lord,
Second respondent ಯಾರು?
second respondent, private party, my lord.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent.
My lord,
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಸ್ಟೇನಾ?
Allah, no. My lord, absolute stay, my lord.
ಇದೆ.
No, yes, Allah, not to. proceed.
Ongoing investigation not interdicted. However, presence of
They will file charge sheet, my lord. This is the case where, my lord,
505.
153A, my lord, there is no ingredients of 153A. The complainant himself says that to seek vote, he has posted the Twitter. My lord, Twitter has been posted in New Delhi, my lord. And nothing has happened in Kalburgi, my lord. Unnecessarily to.
ನಂದೇ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು
arrest.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Yes, my lord, your lordship may call it. Similar, covered by your lordship's judgment, my lord. Sanjay versus
Yes,
Sanjay case
comment.
also covered. And as well as, my lord, JP Nadda also, your lordship.
JP ನಡ್ಡಾದ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಇದೆ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ
ಕೊಡಿ.
lordship may submit. my
We'll take it on 24th.
Please, my lord.
By then, if he comes, fine. Because the earlier,
Yes. Criticizing opponents' views, my lord, it's not covered under 153A.
all right.
That's what.
I'll
Till-
post it on 24th.
21. Till then, my lord, absolute stay may be granted. my lord.
Absolute stay.
They can investigate ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. If they investigate,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
it will become
earlier
infractious. my lord.
court has not granted.
For the same cause of action, another FIR is also registered.
Which
in,
one?
In Malleshwaram police station, my lord. I have produced it, my lord. Page number, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
List the matter on 24th in the fresh matters list. Await, post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent or on the 24th, whichever would be, or on the 24th. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits charge sheet, they will not file. That I will order. The respondents are restrained from filing the final report before the concerned court without the leave of the court. The interim order is in addition to what is granted on 21/6/2024.
Much.
Avath will decide.
Much of
Yes. Next.
Hearing on ID, 29.
For dispensation of production of certificate copies. You have applied it, my lords, but
Matten, sir.
not this. Document number 3 is certain statements made by him overseas, and he gets a support from Khalistanis. In response, he gets a support from Khalistanis.
Who gets? Petitioner?
No, the person against whom I have spoken. Document number 3, page 13. In response, my lords, there is a press conference which is held, and I have attributed personal things to him. Now, a party member files a complaint as if, my lords, there is a breach of religious 192, 196 is invoked against me. Lords, under the garb of criticizing, my lords, your lordship may kindly see the statement at page 15. He gets an immediate response overseas from the band outfits. Page 17, document number 4.
Then dispensation in.
Dispensation, my lords, production of certificate copy. We had applied it, my lords, they have not yet. So I have downloaded it.
Even my
Lord, it's a personal attribution, my lords. Though on a moral yardstick, my lords, your lordship, I may stand on a wrong footing, but
499, 500.
Barbodu, but 192, 196 the barala. And
Sir, my lord.
I pass over.
Yes, Jagdish will appear, my lord. Yes, madam.
Pass over agal. This urgency.
lords, now,
We'll exempt you from appearance.
lords, what I'm requesting, if complaint is taken as it is, lords, 192, 196 will not be applicable. Look at the statements made by their party leader. Lord, being a member of parliament.
192
and 196 of
PNS,
PNS. Yes. So provoking the particular person against whom I have spoken.
It's 153.
This applicable.
153 and 153A. Yes. List the matter on 24th. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. First respondent. Complainant yaro.
He is a party worker for. He is a private person.
Emergent notice to the second respondent returnable by the 7th of November 2024. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. But ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಯರ್ the statements are there, it's a different thing, but you should stop.
I have. They are live, my lords. I can't disclose what I spoke to.
Question 30.
This is regarding the hate speech, notes. Interim order is there.
List on 7th November. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
P1.
Same interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Interim order.
7th.
I'm appeal for the
Yes, madam, interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
interim orders.
I'll take it on 7th. List on 7th.
Please.
3.
Interim order continues, my lord.
Interim order extended. That will be extended, don't worry.
Pledge.
Krishna.
There is interim order, your lordship.
But this absence of side objection.
Absence of?
Sanction. 197, my lords.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು?
Lord, one of the accused was ex-member of Legislative Assembly. That is how it is.
Stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
13 euros.
Tamde interim order ಇದೆ detail ಆಗಿ.
7th. IO. Next.
P4.
My lord,
153A, my lords.
34.
yes, offense under 188 of IPC, my lord, the companion petition has already been allowed.
ತಾವಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
Yes, 34, my lord, 153 capital A. The police officer, my lord, received WhatsApp message and register an FIR.
You are appearing for Srivatsa? Then it is Srivatsa Hegede's case, 10767 of 23.
Yes. No. I am sorry.
Yes, sir.
44.
What if? Yes, connected matter,
Please.
same accused again. Coordinate benches first.
Please.
Illide madam, flag hakidene, green flag, yes. Next. Yes, disposed,
Obliged to me.
yes.
My lord,
Balraj,
I appear for petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
The 171C and F, my lord, uploading on in Instagram account about the.
you have also taken to Instagram,
Yes.
Hmm.
And,
7th. Madam, 7th, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7th. So same order. For respondents.
95A. 95A.
Detailed interim order of granted.
Yes, my lords. May I seek short accommodation to place my additional statement of objection.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
They have raised some questions of law which were not pleaded. I request.
A question of law need not be pleaded, sir. What
Yes,
are
my
you?
lord.
Yes. If it's a pure question of law, there need not be a pleading for that.
I agree with that.
Hmm.
I require short accommodation to place them on record. We have a short synopsis also to file.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇದೆ.
List on 24th at the request of the learned counsel Rahul Reddy representing the respondent. As the last chance, list this matter on 24th, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date.
Great.
Next.
As for the petitioner, its interim order is granted, my lords.
24th.
It may kindly be extended. Obliged.
38.
Here for the petitioner's counsel, my lord. Offense under 171B and 171E.
This is covered.
Yes,
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
your lordship's judgment in Vijesh Pillai, my lord.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
This will not.
You want Vijesh Pillai, I'll have to send it back.
Your lordship will kindly see the order of the magistrate at page 27. Here on the NCR itself,
This is the matter where the coordinate bench has said it requires reconsideration, huh?
no, the
Otherwise-
other matter, my lord, which I had argued, your lordship has reserved it.
Sorry. Yes.
That is on 155(1). Whether the informant has to go or the police officer can go. Otherwise, my lord, the guidelines laid down in Vijesh Pillai, the complaint, my lord, all the 5 guidelines laid down have not been complied with. Page 13.
ಅವತ್ತು ಕೇಳೋಣ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
175 in the second list. Yes.
Here on the
Anyway,
only,
left with last 3 days, so we'll do it. Yes. 24th ತಗೊಂತೆ. Heard the land senior council ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. List on 24th, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. 24th is all right?
24th of October.
Of course.
Yes.
ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು 24th ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
ಹೌದು.
Yes, October ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ Tuesday ಇದೆ. Yes, I'm sorry. I was looking at the
Yes.
September calendar. Grateful.
39. Same.
40.
39 is same ಅಲ್ಲ?
39 as well, 24th, otherwise.
All right.
Interim orders.
That will continue. Yes.
Great.
Offense under section 171H, my lordship. That the 14 persons were doing an election campaign in the name of Congress party.
Yes, sir.
What happened, my lord, they are, my lordship complaint, my lord, at page number 25. Not they, without the obtaining, it is the complaint of the flying squad, my lord, without obtaining the permission, they have started the house to house campaigning, my lord. That is their main allegation.
Without permission?
Without permission from the returning officer, they have started campaigning, my lord.
I will see. 24th, IO, yes. ಈಗಲೇ allow ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? 7th November, yes.
No,
7th
my lordship,
November.
the earlier state. The earlier state, my lordship.
What?
The interim order may be extended.
That will be extended. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 7th November.
I'm for petitioner, my lordship. We filed amended charge sheet, my lordship. Amended petition, my lordship.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lordship.
Where is the IA?
We filed, my lordship.
Amended petition ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lordship. And CC number 7394/24 may be kindly stayed, my lord.
Yes, list the matter on 7th November. The interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Obliged.
Yes.
42.
ಇದೇನು? Huh?
Lords, after investigation, they have filed a charge sheet, 125 of the RP Act. So, after occasion.
List on 7th November. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. 43, same order as 41.
44.
Sorry,
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
153 capital A. The police officer said that he received in WhatsApp recorded information and registered a case. I think Raja Singh Thakur and Abdullah, there are two decisions of your lordship.
Judgments.
And
Yes, government.
Please, my lord. My lord, let them furnish the judgment copy which my learned friend is relying.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
24th.
Please, my lord.
Interim orders heard the learned senior counsel so and so. List on 24th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
55.
In 45, my lord, 45.1, I am appearing for petitioner, my lord.
45.1.
Please, my lord.
45.
45 and 45.1, there is no connected issue, my lord. Both are different matter, my lord.
That can be dealing.
Dealing.
Please, my lord. Once already this court is ordered for dealing, my lord.
45.1, interim order is granted on the ground that what private citizen cannot set the criminal law into motion for an
My
offense
lord,
under
next date of hearing
125.
will argue the matter, my lord.
No, there is nothing.
Wait, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, next date ಗೆ last
No,
date
this
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
honorable
24/10 ಅಂತ online
I
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
will adjourn it.
ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ-
Wait, appearing on
Please,
VC, don't do that.
This
Please,
honorable
sorry,
court-
my lord.
This
I am in
honorable court-
Kalburgi, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
This honorable court notes on a citation given by them, the R.V. Deshpande versus State of Karnataka, said that for offense under 125A, private citizen cannot file a private complaint. In fact, that judgment itself says locus standi is there. It is only for 171, it is not there. But may I request lordship?
You're in which matter, sir?
45.1.
You're appearing for Ashwin. All right.
Kindly, lord.
Vacating interim order ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I'll file objection, my lord. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 24/10 ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Kindly peruse the interim order. I'll just point out. Kindly peruse the interim order.
ಅಲ್ಲ, one day, my lord, fix. I am in Kalburgi, my lord. All of a sudden, my lord, 24/10 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. It is
Wait,
listed
sir.
today, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
Will you please keep quiet for 2 minutes?
Please,
Yes.
sorry, ma.
Kindly peruse the interim order.
The coordinate bench interim order.
The point raised for consideration relates the locus standi of the complainant, which aspect to some extent has been discussed by coordinate bench of this court in so and so.
All right.
At para 19, matter merit so and so. Kindly see that judgment. Madam. That judgment. Para 9, lordships may kindly see. This is the ratio. Thus, from reading of section 195 of CRPC, it is abundantly clear that no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under 172 to 188 of the PC-18 said, except on a complaint in writing to that court or by such officer of the court as the court may authorize. Now kindly see that para 10 more. This is what is applicable to us. By reading contents of para 3 and 4 of the said letter, it is evident that if an offence is committed under 125A of the RP Act, it would be open to any aggrieved person to move petition before the appropriate court of competent jurisdiction for action in case of a false declaration or concealing information in the affidavit of form number 26. We have filed a private complaint for offence under 125A. Now, this judgment is cited
for the purpose of the interim order.
Yes.
All right.
This judgment itself, let's.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
No, let's.
So we'll.
Therefore, that is something.
Vacating stay application ಮೇಲೆ we'll hear it. Yes, sir. File your objections. ನಿಮ್ದೇನು?
Please, my lords. Please, my lords. The matters can be delinked, my lords.
ಯಾವುದು
I'm on
ನಿಮ್ದ?
a different ground. I'm on a different ground. Though offense is
ಲಿಂಕ್
there.
ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ?
My lords,
Both
the
are private parties itself. I have
both
for the respondent in this case.
voters filed a private complaint in both the matters.
Issue is the same, is it?
My lords, one of the issue is this maintainability of complaint. On merits also, there are other grounds to be asked.
We'll take it on 24th. Then.
Very well.
List on 24th in the fresh matters list. Objections, if any, by the petitioner in 45.1 on the application seeking vacation of the interim order by the next date. List on 24th fresh matters list. Interim order, if any subsisting, shall continue till the next date of hearing in all these cases. Yes.
Grateful, my lord. Great.
ಅದು ಪೇಷನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, sorry, my lord.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Bandittu earlier twice it has come.
Sorry, my lord.
No, it's all right. Tell him
I'll
take time. I have no objection. But
Finally, 24th again, I'm not going to grant time.
Please, my lord. I'll seek apology for that, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಕನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Sorry.
October 24, it was on Tuesday, October 24. It will.
October 24th. Tuesday
26.
Thursday, sir. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 2026 ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, 5 ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ October 24th is Thursday. 25 ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
Grateful, ma'am.
26, I'm appeal for petitioner, my lordship. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ A1 already quash ಆಗಿದೆ, my lordship. Heard by judge.
A1 ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
My lordship.
ಎಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ my lord ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಸರಿ ನಾಮ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ.
ಫೈನಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಫೈನಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
Please, my lord.
ಎಸ್ 2 ಕಾಪಿ ಇದೆ, ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೋ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅದು. ವಿಚ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್?
Accused number 3, my lordship.
ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾರ್ದು?
Accused number 1, my lordship.
Look into it.
ನೋಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
47.
ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಎರಡು, ಅದು 50 serial number 50 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್
50 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
All right, 24th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
48.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
7th November to continue to the next date of hearing.
59.
My lord, there's an interim order substance.
7th November, next date of hearing. Next.
50.
7th Sharath,
50, same for 20.
same. 50, same.
My lord, for respondent number 2, my lord.
You are appearing, Ajay?
My lord, I appear for the petition, my lord. It's connected petition.
My lord, objections ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, my lord. ನೆನ್ನೆನೆ annexures ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು?
ಒಂದು
This
10
the
days
matter on
time.
7th November. Objections, if any, by the interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
May I make one request, my lords? The interim order, as my lords are aware, is only to the extent of, my lords, that the police shall not take any precipitative steps. My lords would recall to my lords' memory, my lords, the facts of this case are
ಗೊತ್ತು.
2012
ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. Let it come.
investigation, my lords. May I request, my lords, for the investigation to be stayed, my lords. Insofar as I am concerned, my lords, I have
Yes,
only-
we'll take it on 24th. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. List on 24th. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. As a last chance to file statement of objections. Next.
Agreed.
Failing which this court would be constrained to grant an interim order of stay as sought for by the petitioner. Next.
I'm very.
Lords, I am for the connected petitioners in the connected matter. Your
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ
Lords.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Last one, ನಾಲ್ಕೈದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
4-5 ಉಳಿದಿದ್ಯಾ?
Old matters, my lords. Your lordship, similar matter was quashed by your lordships, my lords. Where personal allegations are made.
Lord, that's
Lord, it will not
the
amount to-
election meeting. They have made personal allegation against the sitting.
Minister, he was not a candidate.
499, 500 ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. He has already filed a defamation.
Already
PNSS, your lordships have
ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು?
against same person. Lordships, the same line, your lordships have held that it is not applicable to person other than the candidate.
Sharath, close this.
Please.
Reject. Covered.
Good.
For time, interim order ಇದೆ.
Pray for interim order.
No, my lords, I pray for time, my lords.
Pray for time. List the matter on 7th November. Next.
Interim order next.
Interim order, if any, shall continue to the next date.
54 also same, my lords.
Same, yes.
Oblige, my lords. 55.
Petitioners. Lord, sir. Plus 188 of Lord CRP.
14th November, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
56.
Your Lordship, the alternative property has been handed over. Details of all the papers have
Close
been
this,
given,
is it?
please.
So now I received, my lord. Only thing is, my lord, the trial court has to verify whether this property is there any lien or mortgage property or.
Second respondent.
That is the husband who is
Ah.
giving the property.
Ian Beck, sir, name.
That's a trial court to
Time back.
verify. Trial court has to verify this document.
Right,
Then they
right.
have to accept that this document.
What is this? Second respondent.
Lord, I am the husband. Agricultural properties have given in lieu of residential.
Counsel for the second respondent files an affidavit appending certain documents. The same is taken on record. The counsel for the respondent, B.S. Prasad, submits that the concerned court has to verify the same, and he would. But concerned court direction.
Let them
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
deposit the entire title document, the original document before the trial court.
Yeah.
Then the trial
close
court
it on that.
has to verify and.
Please, it can be closed.
Heard the learned. The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. Heard the learned senior counsel Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar appearing for the petitioner and counsel so and so. B.S. Prasad representing the respondent. This court on 7/8/2024 had granted the following interim order. Pursuant to the grant of the interim order, it transpires that the second respondent has offered certain alternate security or property. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that this has to be placed before the concerned court, which would require a verification. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner has no objection for the same. We'll dispose it, sending it there. And what protective orders you need till then? Nothing. In the light of the said submission, the petition stands disposed for directing the second respondent to place these documents before the concerned court, and the concerned court shall, on verification of the documents, pass necessary orders by regulating its procedure in accordance with law. Time limited.
Original document.
Original documents, all right.
That might be slightly ambiguous for the Honorable Court, Your Lordship. The reason being, this is 20 crore worth property. It has to be just taken in as opposed to the residential property, Your Lordship.
Exchange.
Exchange, because these are places where they're residing
All
in.
in.
Your Lordship, again, discretionary power, Your Lordship. They could not have issued this at all in view of the fact that these were not proceeds of crime.
I can close it, taking it, but if you want it to be, but verification should happen.
Verification and originals will deposit, Your Lordship.
You
But if-
deposit there, what else you need?
If a positive order to the effect that this could be substituted in lieu of the residence.
I'll take that as your submission.
Please.
Yes, and his also.
It's, they are saying that well, 20 crores. It's actually well, 34 crores is a loss.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ contest ಮಾಡಿ.
That's why again they will raise that objection before the trial court.
Anyway, I'll contest ಮಾಡಿ. I'll add it saying that it is your contention that it is in exchange and his also in
Your
exchange of
Lordship,
the
if
property.
they feel that this amount is still insufficient, then your Lordship, we would then have to argue it out. Reason being, now they will ask us to close it here. There they will go and raise this objection. Now he's
That's
agreed to
precisely
it.
why I said, should I close it or?
Lordship, it might be kept pending, your Lordship. Let him verify, submit it, and then please.
The learned counsel, ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, heard sound ಮಾಡಿ. The learned counsel B.S. Prasad seeks time to verify the documents appended to the affidavit with regard to the property.
I verify, my lord, this is too difficult, my lord. Court, let them produce before the court, my lord.
Your Lordship, it is
Again,
their
again-
application on which the court has passed orders.
Because we obtained a permission from the government. That's the reason, my lord, they have to produce a enter original
We'll
document.
keep this pending.
Please.
The respondent has has filed an affidavit with certain documents. It is appropriate the same be placed before the concerned court from which the impugned order has emanated. The concerned court shall get a verification with regard to the property, of property, and the order so passed on that be placed before this court. Subject to the aforesaid direction, the interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of.
Obliged.
It's list on, we'll take it on 24th.
Please.
Yes.
Therefore, petitioners counsel, my lord. 2 complaints are registered, my lord, for 188.
ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ?
My lord,
Stay ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ?
stay.
ಇವತ್ತೇ
Offense alleged is 188, my lord. 2 complaints on the same allegation, my lord, by the same person.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
Very.
Yes. List on 24th, interim order next.
My lords, I am for the petitioner, my lords. That your lordship has a granted stay to the accused number 1 in this connected matter, your lordship.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
The one
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
that cognizance taken by the magistrate court was not in accordance with section 340 of CRPC, your lordships held that.
We'll see. List on 24th.
Lords, interim order may kindly be
Extended, ಇದ್ರೆ extend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next.
59.
This is an iron ore mining export case. Lords, may kindly see, Lords, principally, my lords, I am urging 4 grounds before your lordships. One is that, my lords, in respect to the table of offences. In respect to all of the offences other than section 420, there is a bar of limitation. Second is.
There is an interim order.
There is an interim.
Yes, sir. And 420
It's covered by.
covered by again.
Pradeep
Odayar.
Odayar and my lord, all cases, my lord, serial number 71 also.
We'll see. We'll answer because I have reserved a few.
Very good.
List on 24th. 24th is that, madam? We'll divide it 24th or 7th November,
Very good.
October and November. Yes. Because 17th October is a Thursday and it's a holiday. So
Please.
next is 24th.
Very good.
Yes.
Lords, there are 2 connected cases.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Number ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Same, no, my lords,
ಇದೆಯಾ?
connected today.
All right, that we'll see.
Please, my lords, obliged. Interim order, please.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
They have the interim order.
7th November, I will next.
51.
All these matters pertains to section 138 of NI Act, my lord. Concurrent
Revision petition.
judgments.
Revision
concurrent-
petition.
Revision
ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
24 ಕೇಳುವ.
ನಮಗೆ 7th ಹಾಕೊಡಿ.
7th, November 7th. Say 20.
We have not been permitted to take the 50% your lordship have ordered because the court has, coordinate bench has ordered for furnishing bank guarantee. Bank guarantee ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ.
ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ.
Kindly.
7th November. Yes.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Next.
Stay.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
62.
For the respondent.
And for the petition in first matter, my lord. This
negotiation malad for regarding the settlement of the matter.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ after vacation it may be
We'll
taken.
take it on 24th.
Malad in first matter malad Mr. Srinivas Rao SS directed
Okay,
to
for the
take notice.
petitioners in 62.1 matters.
First matter,
Ah.
Counsel Shri Srinivas Rao SS is directed to accepts notice for the for the respondent in 62. List the matter, revision petition. List the matter on 7th November. Yes, next.
Great.
3.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ?
Yes, madam. Undue influence under 120.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes, stay.
ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು?
24th, madam.
List on 24th.
Much of it. Interim order maybe.
Okay, continue.
3/4.
If this has to be sent back, we will send it back to the appropriate court. But if it is on merits, then we will hear it on 24th.
No, my lord, only point is, this is, both offences are non-cognizable.
Yes.
And even the permission to investigate under 155, my lord, is granted by magistrate without jurisdiction.
No, true. We can send it back right from the beginning to redo it to the special court. That order I'll pass now. Otherwise, on merits, if you want to contest, then.
No, my lord. If it is the investigation itself is without authority because of the order, my lord, what will be the position?
Appropriate court, if required, will take cognizance or redo the stage from the complaint. But this is before the wrong court. This will go.
The investigation itself is without.
Investigation will go, definitely. Whatever happens without jurisdiction is all null and void.
Yes, yes, my lord.
That nimdena.
They will have to say.
That order, yes. Otherwise, the
My lord,
appropriate court.
May I seek leave, my lord, to produce the first order.
Please.
Please give it. Because that's also totally without any, not a word.
ಏನಿದು? Permitted to, this way.
This is the order for permitting investigation, and then page 21 is the order of taking cognizance both by the magistrate without page 21.
Permission is also by the court without jurisdiction.
No, true. Everything is without jurisdiction. Lock, stock, barrel, it has to go.
Page 21, my lord, is the order after charge sheet taking cognizance.
Then we'll close it on the next date.
24th.
Heard the learned senior counsel B.V. Acharya appearing for the petitioner and learned senior counsel Prabhulang Navadi. Next matter, Lado.
Oh, connected.
The issue, I have granted detailed interim order, I guess.
Interim order is granted.
Yes, yes. The interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. List on 24th in the fresh matters list. We'll dispose it on that date.
Please, oblige.
3/6.
Or 66.
24. List on 24th.
3/7.
For the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, sir.
After vacations, my lord.
No,
Yesterday we have taken
let the
part in
investigation go on in this.
Yes, yes, there is no interim order so far as staying the
What is
investigation.
the investigation done till today in this?
It is. During the status report, we are awaiting the FSL report.
Any investigation agilva?
Agide, substantially over. But the FSL report, birthday we can't, this is a.
That is true.
A digital crime.
Concerning the video.
Yeah.
And yesterday petitioner has taken part in investigation, my lord. They have recorded my statement as well.
All right, we'll take it on 24th by then if it has come. List the matter on 24th. It is made clear there is no interim order granted staying the investigation. Therefore, the investigation shall continue. The petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation.
Please.
The other protective order that is passed by the coordinate bench shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Very well.
Idimmat
Very well.
on 24th, sir.
Please, that's
List on
only a
20
status report, but what we have done so far.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
But
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
We'll update it next time.
24th. Next time, file everything.
Obliged.
Yes, sir.
But, the matter, my lord, information.
Clearly attracts 499,500.
My lord, only point which I'm trying to, my lord, urge is under section 202, my lord, an inquiry is contemplated. Because, my lord, the accused is.
202 irade one court, sir.
Allah, my lord, now there is one court. The Supreme Court, my lord, in Upadhyay's case, directed my lord, the state government to, my lord, have a special court for MLAs and MPs.
Correct.
The jurisdiction was not removed. Now, my lord, the question would be whether the notification which was issued, my lord, by the state government confers jurisdiction on the special court, my lord, is the question. Therefore, my lord, now your lordships have held that 202 is mandatory. The
Supreme Court has held Vijay Dhanuka,
Yes,
everything. Yes.
in view of that fact, my lord, now the section 202 now has not been complied with. Now, my lord, the question would be, my lord, let them, my lord, produce the notification, my lord, of the state government to show that, my lord, the jurisdiction has been given to this special court, my lord, when the accused is residing outside.
Jurisdiction is given to the special court to deal with all cases of people
My lord,
representatives.
the Supreme Court says it is to the Honorable Chief Justice, whether in the district or to the state. State al one madbeka, each district al madbeka.
Irade ಒಂದು, each district
My lord,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
the Supreme Court's order, if you may, my lord, pass on the order.
202 bit ಏನಿದೆ, otherwise clearly attracts all the
not-
statements made by you,
My lord,
not
202
doubt about it.
No, I am not, my lord, going on the merits also, my lord. Only, my lord, as far as 202 is concerned, that has not been complied with.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಟರಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಹಾಕೊಂಬೇಕಾ?
ಇವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕೋ
But this is the judgment, my lord, of your lordships.
202.
202, Rajesh Chandrasekhar.
ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟಿದೆ.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord,
Dhanuka,
as for
Ajit
the,
Pawar have followed everything, yes.
yes, now, my lord, the notifications, my lord, which was issued pursuant to the order passed by the Supreme Court, my lord, by the
ಅದ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್
Government of Karnataka.
ಅಸೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್
We'll see.
Now, my lord, the High Court's notification, my lord, I was not able to get it.
It's a weak round.
My lord, now, my lord, they'll have to satisfy, my lord, this court, though it is a special court for MLAs and MPs. Whether the jurisdiction also, my lord, the Supreme Court never said, my lord, remove this jurisdiction from this court and do a special court here. The Supreme Court said, have a special court for MPs and MLAs.
For
Now,
what purpose?
My lord, so that, my lord, the case is gone at the fast pace. That was, my lord, the entire crux of the matter. Now, my lord, the special court could have been, my lord, in the each district also. That is what, my lord, the Supreme Court also says.
Could have been.
Yes, my lord, that is also.
Not there.
My lord, that is, my lord, left to the jurisdiction, left to the, my lord.
That doesn't mean that the magistrate will get jurisdiction of what the special court would do.
My lord, therefore, my lord, I'm just submitting, my lord, this, your lordship may kindly see this, my lord, the order of the Supreme Court where, my lord, special courts were directed to be formed. Let them, my lord, produce the High Court notification, my lord. I will try to, my lord, satisfy your lordships. My lord, the special court.
Yes, Ahmad sir, produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೀದರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಬೀದರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
Correct.
My lord, is a legal point, my lord.
We'll answer it, sir.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
ನಾವು ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್
Special court ಈಗ.
When this court has no jurisdiction.
We'll answer on merits, sir.
Yes.
24th in the fresh matters list.
Let them produce the notification also. my
I
lord.
don't worry. We will get that notification. Yes, sir. But statements like this cannot be. You can't
Lord, I
get away with
understand, my lord.
statements like this.
Understand, my lord, we have also, my lord, informed the parties, my lord, this.
ಕಾಪಿ
this
ಒಂದು
has to
ಸರ್ವ್
stop.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಪಿ
ಕಾಪಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಗ
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು
ಈಗ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ I'll serve a copy to my.
Yes.
ಮಚ್ಚು
Lord, the interim order granted, my lord, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Deferring proceedings.
Yes.
Interim order, so and so will continue to the next date.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ
ಅದು 69 ಕರಿಬೇಡಿ. Those matters, we'll have it another day. ಅದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. All 70, 71. ಒಂದು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾರ್ದು? ಕೀರ್ತನಾ ನಾಗರಾಜ್.
Yes, my lord.
That I'll reserve.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, just to verify, I've already submitted the synopsis and the.
I know, that's why I said I'll reserve. Yes. 70 ಮಾತ್ರ. Yes. ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
sorry.
71 ನಲ್ಲಿ.
See, only factually similar judgment, my lord. It's a, it's that of 27.
Yes.
Grateful, ma'am.
I will see. Next. 71, Murthy sir. I'll take it on probably on 24th. By then, if I have done, we'll do it. Reserve ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನು. ಇರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ.
ಇದೆ 71 ನಲ್ಲಿ 15 matters my lord connected. The other matters my lord.
I have made a note of it.
Different.
ಯಾವ
improvement.
different ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
Sir, only 16 matters is connected.
All right.
And the remaining, my lord, I will, meantime, I will file synopsis.
24th.
Please.
Yes, next.
Great.
ಎಲ್ಲ all for the hearing ಎಲ್ಲ. All 24th.
Lord, 74, my lord.
56 ಹಾಕಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 7th ಹಾಕಿ.
74, my lord, lordship may permit us to file the
In these. Interim order will continue in every case. Don't have to mention for that.
In our 16 matters.
But 70,
Interim order till is still disposed.
Then don't worry about it. Yes.
72 for dictating orders.
Yes. ಏನದು ಇದಾ? 72 no it sails with that only. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ 7th November.
74, my lord, I may be permitted to file list of authorities, my lord, though I
Please
know
do, sir. Please do, sir. Yes.
my colleague is there. Is it
ಎಲ್ಲ
on
from
24th?
74 final hearing ಎಲ್ಲ all on 7th November. Interim orders ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು continue ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Get into the second list.
Number 2.
My lordship, serial number 46 is passed over, my lord. Covered ಇದೆ that would be.
Covered ಯಾವುದು 46 ಯಾರು?
46 in first list, my lord, it was passed over.
Who is that? Ah, 46.
46.
Disposed.
Please.
ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Disposed. Yes. Police report. Latif.
Let's split
Post
up
immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. ಏನಿದು?
interim, split up charge.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next. List after 2 weeks. Next. 3.
Number 3.
Vacating stay.
For the respondent.
Offense is 138 offense. Matter was settled in the Lok Adalat. Matter and
To pay the amount. The settlement is for, not 5 lakhs and all.
75,000.
And,
ಏನು
3
ಪೇ
lakh
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
25,000 for time ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
And she being a lady, Marad, it's difficult to arrange the amount. And she.
Why did you settle it?
4 weeks, and what has happened is, but subsequently.
What is the amount to be paid now?
And now.
3,97,000.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
3,95,000 plus interest ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Compoundable interest they have agreed to pay 18% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is mentioned in
Agreement ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ sir?
Page number 23, my lord. In default, the accused is liable to pay the settlement amount to the complainant with 18% from the date of such default to the complainant. So they have paid
One of the installments are paid.
only 3 installment, 1,80,000 we have received, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು?
80,000 rupees. Marad.
For 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 installments are paid.
3 installments.
75, 50. Correct.
1,80,000 pending.
4th installment ಇಂದ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Yes, sir. FLW ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Dismiss it, you face it.
And you will ask me kindly see, Marad, this petition is challenging the, Marad, criminal miscellaneous petition filed. Under section 421.
ಯಾಕೆ? Why? ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತ?
According to me, Marad, that is not maintainable. There are
Because it's a settlement.
Because Lokadala settlement and.
ಕೊಡಿ. Give it, sir.
And it is
These
covered by-
accused, after entering into a settlement, cannot drive these victims from pillar to post to get their order executed.
Therefore,
What is this?
Therefore, Manoj, she
Therefore
wants
will
time-
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Covered by your own judgment, my lord.
ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿಲಿ.
time to pay the amount. Manoj.
No, sir. I have restored conviction in that case because you have
He is
escaped.
ready to, Manoj,
Yes, sir.
My lord, judgment is very clear, my lord.
Manoj, what has happened is subsequently, Manoj, there is a
ಈಗ-
charge sheet against her. Manoj,
Correct.
Because she has taken, Manoj, 20 checks.
ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ time ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. 4 weeks, Manoj, she will pay the amount.
Entire amount?
ಹೌದು, entire
ಆಯ್ತು.
is before the
Wait.
court. Entire amount, Manoj,
ಆಯ್ತು.
settlement amount.
Settlement ಅದೇ no interest ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Interest ಸೇರಿಸಿ.
Shares interest, because you have not adhered to the settlement, it is interest. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner on instructions of the petitioner who is present in person submits that if 4 weeks time is granted, the terms of the order, the settlement would be completely adhered to by making the payment in its entirety. On the said submission, list this matter on 29th October in the fresh matters list, 29th October at 2:30 PM for further hearing. In the event the petitioner would not adhere to the undertaking now made before this court, the petitioner would run the risk of restoration of the proceedings for offence punishable under 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, notwithstanding the execution under section 421. Yes.
Observation. This is undertaking is, Manoj, without prejudice to our right to prosecute the, Manoj, there is a charge sheet. And
Which
matters-
charge sheet?
And subsequently, complaint was given.
That is
PCR was
different
given,
case, my lord.
in which, Manoj, police have filed charge sheet against her and her friend.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಆ rights.
ಈಗ ಅದೇನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Lord, petitioner is a labor,
Labor.
is in the bar. Section 78 of the Juvenile Justice Act will not be applicable to him. So first FIR is not, his name is not mentioned, and second FIR is not his
Yes, comment.
name is mentioned. Only charge sheet he will bring into the.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ your name should not, don't be shocked about it.
Lord,
That's
offense-
why investigation.
there is an offense under section 78. The labor could not be prosecuted under.
JJ Act.
My lordship. He was selling on Gandhi Jayanti day, my lordship.
No,
Along
he
with
is
the
not.
juvenile, my lordship.
ಏನ್ನ?
This one, pouch of the
Liquor.
Yes, my lordship.
JJ Act.
Page number 66, my lordship.
Who are you?
I am for
Accused
the
number 3.
labor in the establishment of the accused number 1.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. List the matter on 16th October. Yes, next. Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
Petitioner. Lords, the tax consultant has been roped in under section 406 and 420.
So what?
In the dispute between the two partners, I have been, because I have submitted the VAT returns. So now, according to them, there is a corrections made in the VAT returns and the repeated submissions has been made, thereby the loss has been caused. My lords, the charge sheet has been filed subsequently. My lords, the complainant sought a further investigation. My lords, the further investigation was completed. My lords, may kindly come to page number 111, my lords. The opinion of the IO. 111. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮೂದಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 2.27 ಕೋಟಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ತನಿಖೆಯಿಂದ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕೃತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರದಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ರವರು ನೀಡಿರುವ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ವರದಿಯು ಪೂರ್ವಯೋಜಿತವಾಗಿ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಲೆಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿದ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವರದಿಯಂತೆ ಕಂಡು ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡುಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, additional charge,
This is the further investigation report.
Then what is there
173.
against him?
additional charge sheet has been filed, my
It's
lordship.
all right, based upon this.
Yes, my lordship.
That's all. Wait, what is there against him?
It's virtually a B report. But now the trial court is proceeding further in the matter.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲಭ್ಯವಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, my lordship. Additional charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಲಭ್ಯವಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ The petitioner, accused number 3, a tax consultant, is driven to the web of crime on account of an additional charge sheet being filed against him. The investigating officer on further investigation, where the petitioner would observe as follows, page 111. The learned HCGP would also submit that while filing the additional charge sheet, nothing is found against him is what is noticed. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings where the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
Please.
Yes, next.
7.
Complaint has been registered, my lordship, filed only upon the suspension, my lordship, where my wife is having license to, my lordship, conduct query. But, my lordship, the
List on 16th. Yes.
there is no stay, my lordship.
Parala, 16th.
But, my lordship, there is no material to implicate, my lordship. Kindly see the
License has been
margin.
expired.
List on.
They, what
16th.
they say is, my lordship, I've my
Interim protection granted shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Please.
8.
List after 2 weeks. Interim order continue. Vacating stay. Who has filed vacating stay?
Somina, respondent 2.
Oh, ಇದು ನೆನ್ನೆದು.
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ನಿಮ್ದ
yes,
ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 4 ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಒಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕೇಸ್ ಜಯನಗರ 4th ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ, MES ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ. ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಜಾತಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
DCR ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. DCR ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇವರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 10 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೋ, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಆತಂಕ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು. 4 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 4 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. DCR ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಳ್ಳಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಂತರ DCR ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ನಂತರ DCR ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಅಂತಾರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 3 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸಿವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 3 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇವರು ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಇವರು, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ? 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
4 ವರ್ಷ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ 4 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ
ಇವ್ರು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 12th 2024ಗೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಒಂದು ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 190 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Objections, statement of objections.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
190
190 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 12/2/2024ಗೆ ಸೊ ಇವರು ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು DCR ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ CRE ಸೆಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 137 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, CRE ಸೆಲ್ ನೀವು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. CRS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
CRE ಸೆಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ?
ಹೌದೌದು ಸರ್.
21/5/24ಗೆ
2024-2021ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 137 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
24/21. ಅದು 4 months ಡಿಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ?
4 months ಡಿಲೇ ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 10 years ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವರು ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಜಾತಿ ಕಾರಣ
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
No, my lord. I was
ಜಾತಿ
asking my,
ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇವರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ,
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, ಈಗ
asking my share, my lord. Share ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ this case has been.
ಶೇರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದು
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ರೆ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶೇರ್ ವಾಪಸ್
50% I have
ಕೇಳೋದು
invested
ಹಕ್ಕಿದೆ
in
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
the project.
But as per law,
Sorry.
he is not ready to retire as per the provision of the partnership deed, Swami. He is demanding illegally, exorbitantly, he is demanding money.
See, 4 months delay.
Because of that,
ಇಲ್ಲ, 4 months delay, CRE ಸೆಲ್ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಬೈದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಕೇಸ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 2024ಗೆ he has admitted.
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, that's a different thing.
He has
But
admitted
a caste slur that happened in on 23/12/2020. Complaint is registered in 26/2024. ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
4 ವರ್ಷ ಏನಂತ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಅದು CR ಸೆಲ್ ನವರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರಬಲ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Why should he face proceedings for 4 years delay? 4 years ಹಿಂದೆ
But
ಆಗಿರೋದು.
he has not whispered any objection for the delay.
Not
in
necessary,
his
sir. He has challenged it on
in his
ground of
statement.
delay
ಆ
also.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that's why it is better you sit and settle it. Settle with him if you want.
Even I have
Otherwise, I will dictate it on 15th.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೋ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಟರಿ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀ, ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ we are on atrocities act.
Yes, Milord. So because of while demanding that illegal exorbitant amount only, he's used this castlers. See, since 15 years I'm suffering, Milord.
That
is
is
the partnership.
sir. You should immediately challenge those proceedings. Caste slur ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ immediate ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
4 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅದು ನೀವು
ಒಂದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ,
settle with him.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೆದರ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟು silently suffer or I have to go, so I should go before the court and lodge a complaint. I was in a dilemma.
You should immediately exercise your rights.
No, Milord, I discussed with my partners, same thing. They said, no, why you don't go to the police station, because the entire project will be in jeopardy. So don't do that mistake. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ತಡೆದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತಡೆದ ನಂತರ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಪಾಲಜಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕೊಪ್ಪಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗದಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಬಿಜಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇವರು ಓಡಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಡಿಲೇ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು DCI ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನ. ಪೊಲೀಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತಾರೆ DCI ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು DCI ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವತಃ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 208 ಮೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ DCP ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್. DCP ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 209 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಂದು ಕಾಲಹರಣ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆಯೂ ಸಹ ಅವರು ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರು.
ಅಸಮಾಧಾನ ಬೇರೆ,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ರೈತರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ನನ್ನ ಜಾತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇವರು ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇವರು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಈಗ
ಇದು
Atrocities Act ಮಾತ್ರ
ಅವರು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೀಸನ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್.
only Atrocities Act now.
504,
504,
506.
IPC.
ಸೊ ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಐ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ACP ಮುಂದೆ
Bill is rejected.
Bail rejected, my lord.
Bail reject,
Before
sorry.
the coordinate bench, it is pending, my lord. Since the
ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್
stay is
ಬೆಂಚ್ ಕೂಡ
passed.
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 9th ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮುಂದೆ 9/7 ಗೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಸ್. 10th ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ he has taken umpteen number of adjournments.
Empty number adjournments in criminal.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು
petition I have mentioned.
ಈವನ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಟುಕ್ ಎನಿ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ACP ಅವರು 3 ನೋಟಿಸಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅನ್ನೋ 3 ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ. 60th ಡೇಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ he files ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. So 60 days is the mandatory provision for the IO to file charge sheet. Within 60 days he has to file. There is a punishment clause for that. So 60th, but in a mortal hurry IO has filed the charge sheet until illi observation.
Absconding charge. See report.
Absconding charge sheet, because he issues 3 notices. He issues Swami. It is there on 3/5 and then 25 2024 and then 24/20. ಈ 3 ನೋಟಿಸ್ ನಂತರ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. He doesn't receive. So ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ with no other option left, on the 60th day IO files the absconding charge sheet. He never comes before court. Not only that Swami, I am filing here with additional
File ಮಾಡಿ. Will re-hear you on 14th,
kindly
15th.
please
ರಜಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
vacate yes,
ಅವತ್ತೆ. Yes.
kindly ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಒಂದು additional ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. List the matter on 15th.
kindly ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈತರು
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ JPA JDA ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈತರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ those are separate proceedings.
That means he is not responding.
That is different, sir.
He is not respecting law ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
You challenge it or whatever those proceedings you challenge.
Yes.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು Atrocities Act.
ಅವರು what I want to prove is Milord, he is not respecting law, madam, Milord.
That will
He is not respecting here. I have sent n number of notices. He doesn't receive.
We'll take it on 14th.
Illegal he is demanding so many.
Reopening day. Yes. List on 14th.
Kindly vacate the stay.
Yes. List on 14th.
Swami, NBW issue agide.
Not convinced of vacating the interim order, sir. We'll list on 14th. Yes. Next.
Kindly Swami, ಇದು
14.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು 4 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
4 years you should have kept, you should not have kept quiet.
There are cases Swami. I'll give
4 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್
ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I'll provide.
Oh, ways.
I'll
No.
Let me provide.
If you are hurt by the Castler in 2020, you cannot say that it will continue up to 2024, sir.
ನಾನು citations ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
14 ಕೇಳು ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ file it in the registry, all citations. List on
kindly ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
list on 14th.
ಡಿಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು ಡಿಲೇ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವತ್ತು
10 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂತರ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ ನಂತರ FIR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. There are cases.
Atrocities Act.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನದು? ಏನ್ ಕೇಸ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಏನು?
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್.
Those are cases where even if it is 20 years delay, it can be knocked. But not in this case.
It is allowed some, my lord.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು
delay cannot be the only reason, my lord.
Registry file ಮಾಡಿ. List on.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, they have misled the court ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದು ಏನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
Forged signature is there.
Whatever misleading. 2020 ಆಗಿರೋ incident at 11 AM on 23/12/2020, you have complained on 26/4/2024.
Yes.
Correcta?
ಎಸ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೋ
You are on 14.
2021 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾನು.
CRS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ 5 ತಿಂಗಳು ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ. Anyway.
4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಡಿಲೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ is not that.
No.
504, 506 and
ವೆರಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
No,
ವೆರಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಆಯ್ತು. No.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಬಲ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್.
Yes.
ಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್
On 14. Yes.
ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
14,
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
sir. Yes.
ವೇಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದು
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಾರೆ NBW ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ NBW ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. Yes.
NBW ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
List on 14th is interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Next.
79 and 80 of the KP Act, my lordship.
Yes, government.
Without permission, my lord.
pass over, man.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Without permission.
Without permission, they conducted raid. Arrested. Thereafter, my lord.
List after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
11, I appear for responded in this matter. This is income tax matter. We
Ah,
taken
income
after
tax.
vacation. Stay is already granted. I informed the petitioner. He
Yes,
is
sir.
online.
My lord, sir.
Case is under section 276B of income tax.
Mm.
Delay in payment of TDS, my lord.
Yes, sir. Why delay?
Delay was due to some financial difficulty, but within the next financial year or little late at 2009 and 10, 2018, they have initiated the proceedings, my lord. Already paid, even before the sanction is granted, it was already paid. And after that, they have initiated proceedings, my lord.
We'll lay down something in this. Yes.
Yes.
List the matter on.
I'll complete my pleadings.
Huh?
I'll complete my pleadings.
You complete your pleadings. List the matter on
25th.
25th October.
I'll try.
For further hearing. Yes. Next.
My lord, in 2 matters, there is no stay.
Interim order. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
11, 11.2, 11.2.
In the light of the interim order subsisting in the companion petitions, there shall be an interim order of stay in the cases where interim order is not granted. Yes, next.
Much obliged.
Next.
When?
Wait for petition 420 and 406.
List after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting, 4 weeks, list interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
13?
No, it's the PF is paid. PF is paid, my lord. Office objection is raised. PF is paid. Stays
Current
there.
council submits, needful has been done, office to verify. 307. List after 4 weeks, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
14?
Mr. Ron,
I've given my statement on Monday.
Monday. Why?
This Monday, I gave my statement before the
Oh,
police.
you gave, is it?
Yes, sir. In person. With an apology and undertaking.
This court on 20th September 2024 had passed the following order. The learned counsel, learned additional SPP, the counsel of the petitioner submits and the learned additional SPP accepts that the petitioner had appeared before the investigating officer. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay. Dispose ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Can
What
be
was the
disposed, your lordship.
295?
153, 295, 5052,
And you give the judgments.
your lordship.
Amish Devgan. No, I have rendered so many. Give me one.
There is MS Dhoni and
Yes, that's what, take it as disposed. Yes.
your lordship. I'm putting it there. I'm obliged. And one.
All right. Allowed cost, yes. Sirajuddin.
For the petitioner, my lords, have been falsely implicated on the voluntary statement of another accused, my lords. And the amount received from me.
In a matter.
Yes, my lords. Manad matter. The amount received from me has been shown seized from my instance and have been implicated. I am producing the document of the amount seized, my lords.
Seems some misplacement of pride.
No, my lords. See, my lords, because
Then we'll take it on Tuesday.
My lords,
List on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Is next.
my lords, I am producing some documents which I'll,
File mat, the learned counsel with the petitioner files in documents.
yes, documents. my
File
lords,
certain
along with the-
document, the same is taken on record. Next.
Let's kindly have a look to one document, my lords. Namma
Tuesday
amount,
note,
the,
yes.
the
And
gold
note-
ornaments was pledged by my father and that amount has been seized and they have been shown as accused on that recovery, my
On
lords.
Tuesdays, yes.
Oblige.
List after 4 weeks, interim order grant earliest and section into the next date.
Connected matter 8622, already last year order ಆಯ್ತು connected ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 8622
Next time ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, next.
17.
Hearing for petitioner in this matter, my lordship. My lordship, petitioner number 2 is the property which is situated next to PG, my lordship.
Where is the respondent?
My lordship,
Sir, ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು?
is served, my lordship, but we were sitting in the house, they trespassed into our property, my lordship. When we went and this one, accused number
Agit.
1.
All right, we'll continue at 2:30.
Here only crime number change ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ settlement.